guys, welcome back to my channel Cinyunglove. As you guys see from the picture, so you guys already know what kind of topic today I will talk about. Finally, I've got my dream bag, guys. So here you go. This is a Reissue 255 for a 28 centimeters. Here you go. So I got it in a pre-loved market with the gold hardware. See it here. It's very detailed, guys. Oh my god, so pretty, so beautiful. I like the skin, the leather, so smooth. Oh man. Actually, I want this bag more than my classic flap bag. Indonesia, in Jakarta, it's not easy to find this size in a pre-loved market actually. And also the smaller size than this. And finally, I saw it and I contacted the seller and I bought this guy. Yay! So happy, guys. And this one is in the 19 series. So double flap, like a classic flap bag. And this was in the 19 series. I used this once yesterday when I was in a shopping mall. And when I put my stuff inside, man, it's over my expectation. It can fit more than I thought, because in the classic flap in the medium size, I cannot fit a lot of stuff there. But with this bag, I can. But the cons of this bag is I found it quite heavy for me, but it's not a very heavy bag. I think I just need to get used wearing this bag, and after a couple hours I wear it in a crossbody way. I found it a little bit heavy, but compared with my Gucci Dionysus, it's nothing, guys. I don't want to say. It's a beautiful bag, it's a classic, it's a vintage, and you guys see this, the stretch leather. Feels so soft, guys, and I can press it. Oh man, I love it so much. I think I love it more than my classic flap bag. Forgive me, classic flap bag. Something that really make me happy is I can save a lot of money buying this bag from a pre-loved market. So this is in a 19 series. I think it was made in 2014, which is already 6 years old. This is a 6 years old bag, and I can save 50 until 55% from the new price. So you guys can calculate it. If I want to buy the new one, it costs me twice than this. So it saves more money, right? Yeah. So that's one thing that makes me so happy, guys. Ta-da! Happy. So I'm in a 163 centimeters, and this is in a 28 centimeters, guys. The bag itself is a what? 28 centimeters. We call it 226. So I wear it as with a double chain. Shoulder strap. It's a long shoulder bag. Crossbody. As a clutch. Right? So that's it for my video about the reissue. I hope you enjoyed this video. As I mentioned before, if you already own one Chanel bag, I'm sure you wanna add another Chanel bag into your collection. Trust me guys, trust me. So if you have any comments or questions, please write down in the comment sections below. I'll be happy to answer those comments. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel guys, and see you in my next video.